Okay, today we've got Easter flavored, well, not flavored, Easter high chews. There's 4 different flavors: mystery flavor, strawberry lemonade, yuzu lime, and rainbow sherbet. Let's give them a try. I like high chew, so we'll get one of each out. Tell you how they taste. Let's start with strawberry lemonade. High chews are a little bit chewy, but strawberry lemonade is pretty good. Not a real fake strawberry flavor, which I hate in other strawberry candy. Lemonade, subtle, not bad. Rainbow sherbet, or sherbet if you want to say it wrong, but there's no second R. Yep. Tastes just like sherbet. Or sherbet. Oh, I said it. Sherbet. Yuzu lime. I like yuzu lime in other flavors. It's got a good lime flavor to it. Strong, but not overpowering, not fake. Mystery flavor. Of course, this one's just white. Doesn't smell like anything. I have no idea what that flavor is. Generally, I can get something from it, but it's not bad. It's good. It's just, yeah. All these high chew, this pack, all good.